Hello everybody and welcome to my new book space. I hope you're well. I bought a load of new books and in turn had to buy a brand new bookshelf. So I have extended my bookshelf and I thought in this video I would take you along with me. So we do an IKEA trip, we build, we organise, and yeah, I had a super fun time filming this video, I can't lie, so I really hope that you guys enjoy it too. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and as always my social medias and Amazon and everything are in the description box below. And yeah, let's get cracking with the video. I really hope you enjoy it as much as I did. This is the best view I can get you of the entire bookshelf. So my plan is On the ones on the left, I'm going to try and put like mainly romances. So there'll be like my darker romances, my super spicy books, and just romances after that. Then on the smaller shelves in the middle, so these ones here, I'm going to aim for those to be sort of like display books, or probably like my ACOTAR sets and my Throne of Glass and things like that. And then on the right is mainly going to be fantasy. So that's my sort of plan. And then I'm going to try and keep those to sort of like the upper halves of the shelves. And then across the bottom ones down here, I'm going to try and put like my thrillers and things there. Dan does still need a shelf, so Dan will have this one. It's being nice, you can have a big shelf again. But yeah, so that's my plan. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to stick to said plan, but let's just crack on and see how we do. Here's a little overview. So I've got like Dan's books, and more like just pure smutty books, romances, crime. Crime goes all the way, like crime and thriller kind of goes all the way across the bottom, and then just a few sort of random ones I didn't really know what category to put them with. And then all up here is fantasy. They're all my Disney retellings at the top, and then like I said, just a little plant at the top, and then these are all just sort of display pieces, to be honest. My Verity, special edition of Verity with some Verity books, and then yeah, that's just all my Freedom McFadden in the middle there. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I loved making this video, it was so much fun. I love building flat pack furniture anyway, and honestly just reorganising my books brings me so much joy. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the new collection. If there's anything you want to see my opinion on or anything, leave it in the comments below. I'll read it, I'll review it, and we'll take it from there. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I honestly love filming this kind of content, so you never know. Give it a few months and I'll probably buy another one to go to the side of this one, because I have a problem. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And as always, my social medias and my Amazon and things are linked in the description box below. I hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.